Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zik, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you with the question, can you edit a TikTok video after posting? Now guys, this is a very simple question and it requires a simple answer which I'm going to be giving you. But first of all, let me just open my video here on my profile and show you stuff. Now once you open your video, the only way that you can find more options is by clicking on these three dots right here. So if you go ahead and click on that. Now, if you look at the bottom, there is no way that you can actually do that. There is this save video option, pin, duet, stitch, and down to the last option, there is no option that can allow you edit your video on TikTok. Now, the only simple way that you can do is by downloading this video or by saving this video on your device. And then once you save this video on your device by clicking on that three dots, you're going to find save video right here. And then you can only re-upload this video. And then after re-uploading it, you change the title, change the caption, and do other editing that you want to do to the video. But honestly speaking, you can't edit an uploaded video on TikTok. So that is a simple answer to that question. No, you can't edit a TikTok video after posting on TikTok. So guys, hope this was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.